Greetings and greetings, my fellow YouTube nurses. So, you guys want to talk about further education, how to increase your knowledge, what to do after you graduate as a registered nurse, you know, the works. You go to school, get your prereqs, your anatomy, physiology, microbiology, your pathophysiology, your chemistry, your English, you know, all the prereqs that's needed. Then you get in the two-year program, which is the clinical setting. Then you deal with all the patho papers such as pulmonary, cardiac, endocrine, GI, all the systems that you write. Then you have to pass over, I think it's about 160 exams, which is clinical exams, regular exams, quizzes. You also got to throw in the math dosage calculations, which is the IV drips, the PO meds, because like I said, there's no room for error, especially with the pediatric meds, all the medications. You have to pass that with a 90% and above. So anyway, you get all that done. Don't forget the infamous care plans. Woo, we remember those care plans like no other. So you have to pass all that too, and quizzes, clinical setting rotations, and once you get all that stuff done, you know, besides taking the TEAS exam to get in, you have to take the boom, boom, boom NCLEX. I know, but it's all worth it once that license is in your hand. So once we get all that stuff done, you guys want to maybe do some experience, work in a hospital setting, wherever you can get your hands dirty, okay? And we'll go somewhere with that when I said hands dirty. So if you want to further your education, I would definitely recommend going to a master's program. There's so many things you can do in nursing. I'm talking about wide distribution. There's so many choices. You can go into different fields. Whatever, even specialty that you chose before, get experience under your belt, go to school, whatever. So master's degree, there's so many. You can do a CRNA, Certified Registered Nurse Anesthesiologist. That's one field. Another field would be nurse practitioner. Another field would be like a certified nurse specialist, nurse educator, nurse manager. But my favorite right here, I'm not gonna lie, pathologist assistant. You can actually go into it already as a registered nurse. There's a couple programs for it, and the one that I'm gonna put on blast, I said it again and I'll do it one more time. Her name is Mrs.Angemi. She's got her own YouTube channel now. You guys have to scope it out. I'll put the link on the bottom, and she has her Instagram. It's been blowing up. So she's actually a pathologist assistant. She's been posting videos and pictures and all that good stuff on IG, so it's beautiful. So she was actually communicating with me about how you can enter in that program already as a registered nurse. You go in there, get all your things done. First semester is basically like clinical rotations, gross anatomy, embryology, histology, pathophysiology, and micro. So I'm kind of writing all that stuff down so I can bear with you guys here on this. Second year, you rotate in surgical autopsy sites and forensic sites. Now you're getting your hands dirty. That is amazing. I said it, amazing, a little Mexican accent. So it's pretty sick, the stuff you can do in that field. And like I said, what she does, she dissects human organs. She's going in there performing autopsies, handling all the surgical specimens, placentas, organs, etc. I mean, that's amazing, okay? So you can go in there and do all that. Extra for her, Mrs.Angemi is her full name. What she does is amazing. She's also an adjunct professor. She graduated at that place, which is her school. She's a student mentor. She also does teaches prep course examinations, so she gets everyone ready to get able to pass her tests and exams, which is over 100% rating. So she's doing great on that field. Anyways, don't forget, dude, her name is Mrs.Angemi. She's got Instagram, YouTube. She just put a new video up, so I'm gonna go ahead and post that on the bottom. Check her out, scope her YouTube channel, subscribe, like. Look at her background. She's got an extensive background. She's awesome. I'll put the link on the bottom for her new video, and that's going to be on ectopic pregnancy. Scope it out. New channel. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, and hit that like button. My fellow YouTube nurses, peace.